Yes, now we are discussing about chemical business options. In that, today we are discussing about drain cleaner production. Caustic drain cleaners contain sodium hydroxide, commonly known as lye or caustic soda. They tend to come they tend to come in a solid form. Caustic drain cleaners begin to work when aluminum reacts with sodium hydroxide and water to produce a hydrogen gas. Next point is how are drain cleaners made? Caustic drain cleaner is sodium hydrochloride, an alkaline substance made from mixing of chlorine, sodium hydroxide and water. Surfactants are added into the caustic drain cleaners. Next point is what is the main ingredients of a drain cleaner? As their name implies, chemicals drain cleaners create a chemical reaction in order to remove clogs. The main ingredient in these cleaners is a sodium hydroxide, commonly known as lye. This substance can decompose most organic matter including grease and hair. Next point is what is the formulation of drain cleaner powder? A water dispersible effervescent drain cleaner having a composition of approximately 20 to 60% by weight of a mixture of metal hydroxides, 20 to 40% hydrochlorite generator and 40% effervescent materials, lubricant colors and fragrances may also be present. Next point is what is the formulation of drain opener? Specifically, the liquid drain opener composition of the present invention comprises about 70 to 93% by weight sulfuric acid, about 23% by weight water, 1 to 23% by weight water, about 5% by weight of at least one corrosion inhibiting agent, and about 1 to 28% of by weight of at least one surfactant. Next point is what is the best drain cleaner chemical? Drano Max Gel is the best overall drain cleaner because it works quickly to get rid of tough clogs. This reliable and effective cleaner is a thick gel that goes deep in sinks, pipes and drains to reach the source of the clog and completely dissolve it. So, best drain cleaner chemical is Drano Max Gel. And next point is which chemical is used to clear blocked drain? Caustic soda, also known as sodium hydroxide, is another chemical that can help with drain cleaning and drain unblocking in any kitchen, bathroom and even in outside drains. It causes a chemical reaction when it comes into contact with organic matter in a clogged drain or slow drain. And next point is what pH is drain cleaner? Acidic drain cleaners contain sulfuric or hydrochloric acid. These are strong acids with a pH of 1 to 2. Is drain cleaner NaOH. Is drain cleaner is NaOH, a technical name. So it is sodium hydroxide. Most brands of chemical drain cleaners are made using sodium hydroxide, commonly known as caustic soda or lye or sulfuric acid as a base. And the next point is what is PVC cleaner made of? PVC primer as a substance made mostly from two main chemical components, acetone and cyclohexanone. The chemicals hydrofuran and ethyl ketone among others, are also added to some products, depending on the brand. Next point is what are the four major components of the drainage system? That is four components of road drainage system, and the general and pavement and wearing course. The pavement of wearing course in the top layer of a road. Side ditches collect road water and lead it onward to outlet ditches and are especially important when road is in cut. Outlet ditches, main road culverts. These are the main four major components of the drainage system. Next point is what is the best drain maintenance? Seasonal drain maintenance. The 2 to 3 times a year flush and drain with baking soda and vinegar. Run hot water down the drain. Pour half cup of baking soda and half cup of vinegar with the hot water down the drain. This combo foams up and removes debris, and it also helps kill bacteria and remove odors. Next point is what are the different types of drain cleaners? The following are descriptions of the four most commonly sold types of commercial drain cleaners are caustic, oxidizing, acidic, and biological. Caustic drain cleaners, oxidizing drain cleaners, acid drain cleaners, biological drain cleaners. And next point is what do plumbers use to clean drains? A manual drain snake, also known as a plumber's snake or a drain auger, is a small boring tool that rotates slowly as it is physically pushed through a stubborn clog. The terminal end of the device is a corkscrew shaped hook that is fed into a clogged drain or toilet. Likewise, drain will be cleaned likewise. So it is very important to independent houses and apartments also to clean all these clogged drains. So it is drain cleaner production is also a very major thing nowadays to safeguard the bathrooms of house and all these things also. Wishing you all the best.